Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vincent local and long distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the stress out of your move, our qualified movers make your long distance move a lot easier. Whether you're moving one state over or you need to move across the nation, we are here to assist you. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make moving a lot simpler. Selecting us guarantees you receive access to all of the standard long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you want to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the cost can seem to be tough. When you examine the key advantages you get, the expense might be a lot easier to handle. You will definitely save time with your local move when you hire a moving company. It will also keep you from having to deal with heavy lifting. Our skilled movers provide effectiveness with each and every move. You do not have to stress over spending several days dealing with your move when you select 3 movers to help. Even though your move is big enough that it may take you all week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vincent moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.